Pune-based Indian manufacturer Bajaj Auto and 100-year-long iconic British manufacturer Triumph Motorcycles UK have announced a partnership to jointly develop mid-capacity motorcycles, which will be marketed across the world. In a joint statement, Bajaj Auto and Triumph Motorcycles said that the objective of Bajaj Triumph Alliance is to deliver a range of outstanding mid-capacity motorcycles benefiting from collective strength of both companies. Bajaj Auto, one of India's largest two-wheeler manufacturers, is also one of largest exporters of India-made two-wheelers across the world. Current range of Bajaj motorcycles starts with 100 to 110cc commuter motorcycles, with Bajaj largest capacity motorcycle being Bajaj Dominar, which is a 373cc engine sourced from KTM 390 Duke. Bajaj Auto range of motorcycles under brand names Pulsar, Discover, Boxer are top selling brands in many countries. Bajaj owns 47.8% of Australian motorcycle brand KTM. Triumph Motorcycles Limited is the largest British motorcycle manufacturer since 1902. Triumph manufactures a range of high quality motorcycles in the classic, roadsters, cruiser, and adventure segments. Triumph Street Twin is one of the largest selling models in India. Bajaj Auto recently severed ties with its long-time partner Kawasaki, who was also its technology partner since mid-90s. Kawasaki decided to go solo after KTM and Bajaj significantly increased their partnership. Bajaj Auto already has a decade-long alliance with Australian bike maker KTM. The Pune-based Bajaj holds a 47% in Austria's KTM. One third of KTM manufacturing happens at Bajaj Auto's Chakan plant near Pune. It was only last month that they also announced the entry of Swedish motorcycle manufacturer Husqvarna in the Indian market. TVS Motors and BMW Motorrad had entered into a similar partnership to produce bigger TVS bikes and smaller BMW bikes. With this announcement from Bajaj coming out, TVS BMW might want to hurry up and launch the BMW G310R and TVS Apache 310RR in India before the first Bajaj Triumph bikes come out. Bajaj has a history of classic scooters and motorcycles. Bajaj 150 and Chetak scooters are the first productions. Kawasaki Forest Champion 100 in motorcycle segment, while Avenger 180 and 200 in cruiser type. On the other hand, Triumph's smallest displacement engine is the 675cc inline 3 engine on the Supersport Triumph Daytona, and the classics range start with Triumph Street Twin with a 900cc engine. Triumph Street Twin is one of the largest selling models in India. Other models such as Bonneville and Tiger also has a wider range of sales. The country's leading motorcycle maker Bajaj Auto is staring at a year-on decline of at least 10% in revenue and profitability in first quarter of FY18, that is April to June. The primary trigger for this weak performance is a 11% drop in motorcycle sales volume for April to June quarter. The commercial vehicle business, primarily three-wheelers, saw an 8% drop in volume for that period. While on the other hand, Triumph wants to enter a small engine variety, especially for sports segment, from 250 to 600cc, which will increase the number of sales in global markets. The recent annual general meeting, Rajiv Bajaj, managing director of Bajaj Auto, said that at least 500,000 motorcycle sales are expected from the new partnership, which will be in addition to the projected 500,000 from KTM and Husqvarna. At present, however, just 65,000 Triumphs are sold every year through 700 dealers across world. Triumph Motorcycle is one of world's oldest bike brands, celebrating 115 years of this year. The company has an assembly facility based in Manesar, Haryana. It sells 16 models in India and only 20% of them get locally made. The company had announced plans to increase localization of to 90% by 2018. Triumph sells around 250 to 300 bikes in India per year with prices starting at 5.7 lakhs. Post the partnership announcement, the Bajaj Auto stock spiked 3% to 2962 rupees on the NSE, outperforming the broader Nifty which was in red. The stock closed over a percent up while the Nifty ended in the negative. The alliance between Bajaj Auto and Triumph Motorcycles though will not involve any equity, so Bajaj doesn't have a stake in Triumph Motorcycles. What this means is that new bikes developed from this partnership will be priced competitively and in the mid-size segment and will target emerging markets like Asia, Southeast Asia and Africa, apart from developed markets like Europe and US. Bajaj will gain access to the iconic Triumph brand and its great motorcycles, enabling it to offer a wider range of motorcycles within its domestic market and other international markets. Triumph currently just assembles its motorcycles in India, but after this deal goes through, manufacturing can happen at Bajaj's plant in Pune. The partnership could also result in new models being launched by Bajaj in higher segments. The global partnership would also help Triumph motor manufacture its motorcycles in India, thus cutting down on taxes, in turn resulting in reduction of prices on its motorcycles. Bajaj's Chakan plant will progressively produce 4 different brands like KTM, Husqvarna, Triumph and Bajaj. While Bajaj will play its entry segment, KTM and Husqvarna will present in segment above Bajaj 200cc and above, while Triumph will play in the segment above that, that is 300 to 600cc. So until now the news leaked was this, and if it goes all well, we will see some interesting motorcycle running on the roads. Thank you friends for watching this video till end. I hope you liked the video and the information that I have shared. In the end, don't leave without liking the video, and if you want to hear more such trending news, hit the subscribe button.